Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy PS Plus with Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as you can see here in this article or this community, we can find that it is possible to start buying PlayStation Plus or PS Plus with the Cash App card. And all you need to do is just to make sure that you have sufficient fund and that is accepted as valid payment. So basically, the first thing could be is to order a Cash App card first. And to do so, you will be needing to have your Cash App account, and then you will need just to go to the application, or either you are using the web app or the mobile app. And basically, you would need just to go to the to the card tab that you would find on your application and the home screen, and then you will need just to get your free card. And basically by that you will need just to follow up the steps that will start asking you some questions, just fill in informations, and as you can see, those are the requirements of eligibility to have a Cash App card. You must be 13 plus with a parental approval, or you need just to be adult and major. And basically, you will need you will be able to apply for a Cash App card. And after that, you will be able to get your Cash App card within 14 days. And then while you wait, you may be able to access your card details from the card tab for online purchases. So basically, the hard copy would only arrive within 14 days. And basically, you can after that start activating your Cash App card if you have deactivated it. And basically, you can activate it using the QR code that you would find in your Cash App, etc. And basically, you can start selecting the green activate button if you want to activate it, deactivate it, and you have full control on your Cash App card. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.